Welcome to my channel. I'm thrilled to have you here as we embark on a journey to transform your living spaces into stunning retreats. We all crave homes that exude sophistication and elegance, a space that not only looks intentional but also feels luxurious and, frankly, expensive. The good news is that achieving a high-end look doesn't have to mean breaking the bank or hiring a professional designer. With a few clever tricks and design insights, you can create a beautiful environment that reflects your personal style while embodying a sense of opulence. Today, I'm excited to share some of my top designer secrets that can instantly elevate your space, making it feel more polished and put together. From selecting the right color palette to incorporating key decorative elements, these tips will help you master the art of luxury styling in your own home. We'll explore vital aspects such as texture, lighting, and scale, ensuring that each piece contributes to an overall cohesive design. Let's dive into the world of luxury styling together. Prepare to be inspired and motivated to enhance your surroundings in ways you might not have thought possible. Whether you're revamping a single room or doing a complete home refresh, these secrets will provide you with a solid foundation for creating a luxurious haven that you'll love to come home to. One of the biggest mistakes that many individuals make when decorating their homes is choosing furniture or decor that is simply too small for the dimensions of the room. When small items, such as a petite rug or tiny pieces of art, are used in a space that is more expansive, it can lead to an overall feeling of clutter and, unfortunately, a less than desirable cheap appearance. To achieve a look that exudes sophistication and elegance, the key is to think big. Instead of opting for a small area rug, consider selecting one that is ample enough to fit neatly under all furniture legs in the room. This not only anchors the space but also creates a seamless flow, making the room feel more cohesive and well-designed. Additionally, rather than filling a wall with a gallery of small, disconnected frames, try replacing them with a single large, oversized piece of statement art. This shift creates a striking focal point that not only draws the eye but also gives the impression that the decor is custom-made and grand. Large art pieces can serve as powerful conversation starters and can significantly elevate the ambience of a room, transforming it from ordinary to extraordinary. When choosing furniture, aim for pieces that are proportionate to the scale of the room, ensuring that all elements work in harmony together. By maximizing the size of your decor and furniture choices, you can create a rich, layered aesthetic that feels intentional and curated, ultimately enhancing the overall experience of your living space. If you're still relying on the big light in the center of the ceiling, it's time for an upgrade to elevate your home's ambience. Expensive homes typically take advantage of the concept of layered lighting to create a more inviting and sophisticated atmosphere. This involves using various sources of light at different levels, which can dramatically change the dynamics of a space. To start, consider incorporating a variety of lighting options. Floor lamps can add warmth and create cozy reading corners or highlight specific areas of your room. Look for designs that complement your decor style, whether it's modern, traditional, or eclectic. Table lamps also play an essential role. They can serve as stylish decorative elements on side tables or consoles while providing functional lighting. Choose lamps with interesting shapes, colors, or materials to enhance your decor. Additionally, don't overlook battery-operated picture lights, which can be a fantastic way to illuminate artwork or photographs without the hassle of wiring. These lights can draw attention to your cherished pieces while adding an elegant touch to your walls. When selecting bulbs, aim for warm-toned options, as they provide a more flattering and inviting glow compared to harsh, cool tones. Warm light can create a serene atmosphere, making your space feel more like a high-end hotel suite. Pro tip: one of the simplest yet most effective ways to instantly upgrade any room is by adding a dimmer switch. This feature allows you to adjust the brightness according to different moods and times of day. Imagine the ability to transform your living space from bright and energizing during the day to soft and romantic in the evening, just with a flick of a switch. A dimmer switch not only enhances the aesthetic appeal but also contributes to the overall sense of luxury within your home. Luxury is not just about the price tag, it is a rich sensory experience that engages all of our senses, creating a feeling of opulence and comfort in our living spaces. To create a luxurious ambience in your home, consider the importance of combining different textures in your decor. Mixing textures not only adds depth but also creates visual interest. For example, a plush velvet sofa can be beautifully complemented by a sleek marble coffee table, which brings in a contrasting coolness to the softness of the velvet. Additionally, layering items such as a chunky wool throw draped over a soft linen chair can enhance the tactile experience, inviting you to touch and relax. When it comes to window treatments, the way you hang your curtains can have a substantial impact on the overall perception of your space. For a more refined and elegant look, opt to hang your curtains high and wide. This means mounting your curtain rod close to the ceiling rather than directly above the window frame. By doing this, you effectively draw the eye upward, giving the illusion of higher ceilings and a more spacious environment. Choosing curtains that extend wider than the window frame allows you to draw them completely to the side without blocking any natural light, creating a bright and airy feel in the room. Incorporating these design principles can transform your home, making it feel more luxurious and sophisticated. The careful selection of textures and strategic placement of furniture can elevate your space, allowing you to create an inviting atmosphere that feels both high-end and comfortable. The expensive look in interior design is characterized by a sense of intentionality and refinement that often eschews excessive clutter. To achieve this aesthetic, one must focus on curation rather than accumulation. This means selecting a few carefully chosen high-quality decorative objects that will stand out as focal points in your space, rather than filling areas with numerous small knickknacks that can create a chaotic appearance. One effective strategy is to group decorative items in odd numbers, which tends to create a more visually appealing arrangement. For instance, you might consider a stylish stack of coffee table books, topped with a unique brass object that adds an element of sophistication and shine. Alternatively, a simple glass vase filled with fresh greenery can inject a touch of life and color into the decor while maintaining an elegant vibe. In this context, it's important to remember that space and breathing room are the ultimate luxuries. Allowing for negative space around your chosen pieces not only enhances their visibility but also gives the overall composition a more luxurious feel. This thoughtful approach to design encourages a tranquil and harmonious environment, where each piece is appreciated rather than overlooked in a sea of clutter. By focusing on quality over quantity and practicing mindful curation, you can create an atmosphere that feels opulent and refined. Which of these designer secrets are you going to try first? It's always exciting to discover new techniques and tips that can enhance our living space and create a more aesthetically pleasing environment. I'm eager to hear your thoughts and experiences, so please let me know in the comments below. If you found these tips helpful and enjoyable, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up as a way to support the channel and encourage more content like this. Additionally, consider subscribing so you can stay updated with more interior design inspiration that can help transform your home into the sanctuary you've always wanted. Thank you for taking the time to watch, and I can't wait to see you in the next video where we'll explore even more creative ideas and practical advice for elevating your interior design game.